The Shop Fox W1685 1.5 horsepower dust collector offers an effective solution for keeping your workspace clean and free of dust and debris. With its robust features and powerful performance, it's a popular choice among woodworkers looking for reliable dust collection equipment. Equipped with a 1.5 horsepower motor and a heavy-duty steel impeller, this dust collector boasts a substantial airflow capacity of 1,280 cubic feet per minute, ensuring efficient dust extraction from woodworking machines. The powder-coated finish adds durability, protecting the unit from scratches and wear over time. One standout feature of the W1685 is its versatility. It can be used as either a stationary central dust collector or a mobile unit, providing flexibility to suit different workshop setups. The 6-inch inlet with a removable Y fitting further enhances its adaptability, allowing users to branch lines to service multiple machines conveniently. Safety is prioritized with the inclusion of a safety switch, featuring an oversized paddle and removable lockout key for added protection against unauthorized use. The switch's design ensures quick and easy operation, enhancing user convenience and safety. Assembly of the Shop Fox W1685 is straightforward, thanks to clear instructions and high-quality nuts and bolts supplied. Despite concerns about packaging damage, the unit's components remained intact, and assembly was hassle-free. Additionally, the inclusion of a plastic collection bag simplifies maintenance, with a handy tip using painter's tape to aid installation. While the dust collector draws significant power at startup, connecting it to a dedicated circuit resolves any issues, ensuring smooth operation. Users have praised its suction power, particularly when paired with woodworking machines like miter saws, jointers, and planers. The machine's ability to handle various tasks effectively has garnered positive feedback, with users noting a significant reduction in dust accumulation in their workshops. Despite minor drawbacks such as noise during operation and challenges with bag replacement, users appreciate the W1685's sturdy construction, smooth performance, and ease of use. Its durability and efficiency make it a worthwhile investment for woodworkers seeking reliable dust collection solutions. In conclusion, the Shop Fox W1685 1.5 horsepower dust collector stands out for its powerful performance, versatility, and user-friendly features. With proper setup and maintenance, it proves to be a valuable addition to any woodworking shop, promising years of effective dust extraction and cleaner workspaces.